How can you report a lost stolen Bank of Ireland credit card? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to report a lost or stolen Bank of Ireland credit card. If you've had lost or stolen your card, and what you can do is you could go to this page, that is bankofireland.com/help center. When you go to this section, you could find about the reports lost stolen card. So first thing you could see is you could call at the call center is available for 24/7. So you could to contact them at a toll-free number, or else you also have this location wise, and you could also go ahead and read about this all in details, and you could follow the steps as they mention. Now apart from it, you could also type an email, and then next thing what you could do is, if you have an online banking account, then you could go ahead and block your card first thing, and this should be able to help you out with this matter. And after some times, you could go ahead and ask for the replacement or apply for a replacement card. So this is basically how you could report a lost or stolen Bank of Ireland credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.